Hi everybody! Do you want to learn some great phrases to use during a business lunch or dinner? Then keep watching. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people out there. Before we start the lesson, I just want to remind you to subscribe to my channel, hit the red button and click on the little bell, and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my business vocabulary newsletter with lots of great business English vocabulary for you to learn. So check it out, the link is in the description. And now we can start the lesson. Are you ready? Here we go. So let's have a look at some great phrases you can use during a business lunch or dinner. We'll start with some phrases you can use when you arrive at the restaurant. The first one is, "So, here we are. I hope you're hungry." Another thing you can say is, "I think you'll like this place. It's one of the most popular restaurants in town." When you're inside the restaurant, you could say, "I'll ask if our table is ready." And when you're shown to your table, you can say something like, "Great, where would you like to sit?" Another thing you could say is, "I wonder if they have any specials today." Now let's have a look at some conversation starters. "How's your hotel?" Or, "So, what do you think of Madrid so far?" "Do you have any holiday plans this year?" And don't forget to check out my other video asking about the job and company. This could be a great opportunity to find out more about the person. Talking about the menu. Let me know if you need any help with the menu. There's a list of daily specials on the first page. You'll find the traditional dishes on the second page. Let's finish off with some great phrases for recommending food. "The fish here is excellent." "I definitely recommend you try the paella." "You have to try the mussels here." "The desserts here are absolutely delicious. We have to order some." "This dish is not for everyone. It has a very unique taste." That brings us to the end of another short lesson. I hope you liked it and I hope you can try out some of those phrases at your next business dinner. You'll find all of the phrases in the description. If you liked the lesson, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my vocabulary newsletter with lots of great vocabulary for you to learn. So check that out. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.